Sweet Jamaica, we not left ya. Love me yaki and my saltfish, we not left ya. Serve ya man banana, we not left ya. I'm a big flower dumpling, we not left ya.
Ain't nothing like the sweet cool breeze a jammed up. String up the sun while it vibes can't done. Reggae music beautiful and people just a have fun. Jerk on a place a work a fish a steam down.
Me proud of me island. Lord of God, me say me proud of me island. Come is a Vegas, we proud of me island. Outlaw Josie will me say me proud of me island.
Sweet Jamaica, if you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
Lord of mercy.
Sweet Jamaica, they do. Sweet Jamaica, ah yeah. Sweet Jamaica, can I die? Oh, sweet Jamaica, my oh. Sweet Jamaica,
Nothing like the sweet, sweet Jamaica.
sweet Jamaica, yeah. Sweet Jamaica, oh. Sweet Jamaica, my.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel once more. So guys, today is another day to show you some food. So here I have some wonderful snapper fish, well lemon juice and vinegar dung and salt dung. See that guys, all clean and nice. Hey, fish you have to scale now, you have to clean in there guys and got them. Alright, if you don't know how to do it, ask somebody how to do it. I get it prepared for you, alright? Now get the artificial one and now get the real Jamaican one. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to season this and show you how I'm going to cook it down. Alright guys, so here I have some scotch bonnet pepper, roughly chopped, no fancy nothing. And now I'm going to massage these into the fish. I'm going to throw it down and then massage it. Pepper and oil. Rub it in everywhere guys, rub it. Yeah, try to get the food with flavor in it guys. Yeah, try to give people flavor. Remember our scotch bonnet, you know, or the kick out of the pot. Alright, so yeah, make sure so you get it everywhere guys. Okay guys, remember to wear gloves because I don't want nobody to say, oh I see Chef Chin just rubbing the pepper and no gloves. Please guys, put on your gloves. Okay guys, yeah, pepper, a lot of people don't like it, pepper, but it gives food a good kick guys. Alright, so if you can add a little bit, you don't have to add the amount that I am adding. If you can add little, add it now. It gives food a whole different taste, a whole different texture, everything guys. Alright, so just rub them in there, see that? Rub them in there guys. Okay guys, so now that we have rubbing all the pepper into this bad boy fish here, we're gonna add the powder seasoning. So this is my homemade seasoning. All who remember it, but still can't tell you. This is some onion powder, some Maggi fish season, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna use my hand and give this some rough toss. Alright, because remember to rub it at the fish. You can't rub it one. No. Alright. You want everything mix and combine to make food have flavor, you know. Some people just put salt and black pepper. No. Give food little color, little flavor, man. Treat it like say. Oh, you want somebody to treat it, don't it? Alright. Oh, that looking pretty, right? It look like fish food too. So guys, I'm gonna put it one side. I'm gonna take them up single-handedly and just rub it all over there. Alright guys. And make sure you cut the fish and rub them in there guys. Now just dab it over it. Rub the seasoning in the fish. Yes guys, so make sure you get into these parts of the fish. Okay guys, slice it so the season can go in. Don't do it like, you know, yeah, a lot of people want to say it, but make sure them massage them in guys. Sure, looking on the head too now. That part of them, so get the man them strong back. Yeah, so nice. Rub it in there guys, yeah. If you don't know how to cook, I'm going to teach you how to cook. As I said, some people do it differently. This is how I do it. And it is wonderful. phone. You see guys, why you need your gloves? You don't want all of this in your fingernail. Make sure I don't want it enough. So I don't want it to. Right? So do the right thing. Open up in there and put them up in there. Yep. Yes guys, that look like we did about it. Yes man. So now I'm gonna cover this for about 30 minutes because you know I like when my food soak. A little bit leaving, I just go and put it right down in here. Not hurt nobody. Don't that look pretty? Alright. So show you what we're gonna do. So come back. So guys, we are about to start frying these snappers down. So now you know you have to preheat the this pot on high heat. Alright, and then I'm gonna add my oil to it. Remember guys, you can add any oil of your choice. That's your preference. Do what makes you happy and what suits you. Okay guys, so directly to that oil that I just added, I'm gonna add the garlic to that. That's 2 cloves of garlic I just sliced in 2. So I'm gonna add those directly to the oil and let it finish preheated guys, so that oil can get all of that nice fragrance and taste out of that. So come back. Okay guys, so the oil is preheated. And this is the fish that we have seasoned sit about an hour. So now I'm gonna add it in there slowly. I'm gonna add burn me off. We're gonna do 2 at a time. Oh, look at that baby frying, guys. Ooh. I still don't want the oil hot, alright? I don't want to put in there the oil still flat and not bubbling. Okay guys, so here is the fish. Look at all of that guys. Well fried on both sides. So let it drain off a little bit. And then guys, I'm going to put it in here with paper towel so all that excess oil can dry off. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some more fish into that oil over there. Still doing 2 fishes guys, so they can fry evenly. Look at that, look at that. So guys, we are proceeding to turn in the fish. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. That's how you want your fish to look. Just like so. Alright guys. So guys, now that we have finished frying off those fish, I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of butter into that preheated pot of mine. I'm going to give it a quick stir in the pot. Yes guys, I'm using more oil. The butter gives the food a lot more flavor. I'm just giving that a quick stir. You see all of that smoking? Yes. So now guys, in this plate here, I have tomatoes. I have orange and red bell peppers, white onion, and scallion and purple onion. I'm going to add these in here and toss them. Give them a quick stir, guys. Yes. And forgot to tell you, I also have garlic in there, guys. Remember to always say guys, when you use oil to cook your food, always add a little bit of apple cider to the vegetables. It helps with the cholesterol. Okay guys, look at that. I like when the food is very pretty and colorful, guys. That is very, very pretty. So now, guys, directly to that, I don't want them to get too soft. I am going to add ketchup. Not too much. I'm going to add white wine, guys. White wine here very, very good with seafood. Okay, guys, that is good enough. That's about a half cup. And then we're going to add our fish sauce. Directly into that, guys. Now we're going to add oyster sauce. Guys, who don't know about oyster sauce, you need to go and try it. This is a food of all different level, a taste, texture, everything. So we're going to give this a toss. Yes. Oh, the kitchen is getting hot. Let it marinate and all of that white wine. Yes, guys. And to that, I'm going to turn up the stove just a little bit more. I know I have water that I've boiled prior to the video. And I'm going to add it. Always boil the water so the food continues to cook. Don't use cold water, guys. That will do about that. So now, guys, we're going to add black pepper. Let's season this pot a little bit now. We're going to add black pepper. That's good enough. We're going to add a little bit of paprika. Not a lot, just a little bit for color and a little bit of spice. Small paprika is better. And that's a little twep. That's a little twep of cayenne pepper, guys. Not too much. Now we're going to add some garlic powder. Not a lot. Remember, we seasoned the fish already, just to season the sauce. No salt, guys. Everything comes with their own set of salt in there. Look at the sauce. Yes, guys. Oh, the kitchen is smelling nice in here. Now we're going to allow this to cook for 1 minute. And then I'm going to come back and show you. Okay, guys, so now this has been cooking for a minute. Now I'm going to add the fish that I fried off right into that sauce. And each one I add to the sauce, guys, I am going to add 3 teaspoons of the sauce over it to just let it soak it up. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how beautiful that looks. Cameraman, tell them to me now. Oh, in here smell good. You hear that, guys? So, guys, just spoon it up on it like that and let all of that sauce soak into the fish. Okay, guys? Remember, you already fried it, so it's not going to do no long cooking. Alright? Brown stew is all about the sauce. Okay, guys? Brown stew is always about the sauce. Just like our escovitch is all about the pepper sauce. Just like so, guys. Just gonna add these final 2 in there and finish spooning the sauce on top of them. Baby sauce. So guys, that's how you want it to be looking. Look it like that, guys. Remember, you don't have to add browning, but if you wish, that is your opinion and that is your choice. I respect that and I do it the way I choose to. Alright, guys? Alright. Look at that. And now, guys, I'm going to turn on the stove on medium heat to let this just cook down slowly. About 7 more minutes and all of this will finish. Okay, guys? I'm going to show you how to plate it and how it's going to look. Okay, guys, so here is the finished product, guys. Look at all of that beauty. We eating veggies today. Wow, look at that fish. Look at that fish on the squash. String beans, broccoli, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, carrot. You can't beat that, guys. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And don't forget, tell me what you want me to see me make. Alright guys? So guys, remember, tell a friend and another friend. Remember, if you cook like a yardie, you eat like a Jamaican.